Okay, welcome guys to the HTML section of my e-commerce course. We're going to go from start to finish on how to create your own e-commerce website selling your own products online. But of course we need to start off with the basics. So that in this case the basics is HTML. We're going to go through the basics of the HTML language and I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know. So let's open our free software, Text Wrangler. Google it and download it for free if you want, guys. So we're going to write all our HTML in this software. It's really simple to do. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not really important, guys, but I should tell you that. And HTML essentially is just a bunch of tags. That's all it is. You open the tags and close the tags, and you store information within the tags, and that's all it is, guys. HTML is pretty simple. It's got a simple concept. So all we need to do is memorize some of the tags. Okay, so the first tag we need to actually create the HTML document is called the HTML tag. So we write it like this. Okay, and the golden rule, guys, is if you want to open a tag, you've got to close the tag as well. So to close the tag, you just put the / symbol before the name. So that's it, as simple as that, guys. We've just opened our HTML document. Okay, so right, the HTML document is split into two sections: the header and the body. Okay, the header stores all the important information from our website. We can link CSS files, JavaScript files in the header. We can give search engines a description for our website. We can give search engines keywords, and basically all the information, all the important information of our web page in the header. We write the header like this, guys, just head. Whoops, head. And of course we need to close it again. And the second part is the body. In the body, we code all the content of our web page. So what people see on the web browser, we code in the body tag. So the body tag is just simply body, and of course we close it again. Golden rule, guys: if you open a tag, you've got to close the tag, and then everything will be valid. Okay. So one thing's missing from this document so far. Okay, and that is the title tag. Okay, so we're going to put title. Oops, and close it again, of course. Okay, so this is a perfectly valid HTML document, guys. This is the main structure of it. We open it and close it with the HTML tag. We've got the two main sections, the header and the body, and in the middle of the header we've got the title. Okay, these are the tags you need to make a HTML document valid. So before I continue, I'm going to show you guys how to use the title tag. Now, we usually put the website name in the title tag. So I'm going to put my website, for example, and I'm going to save it on our desktop as index. Okay, index is usually the default page people land on when they go on your website. So let's save it as index.html. And as you guys notice, our tags are now color coded, which is really handy when we're doing HTML editing. So I'm going to open this in Chrome. I prefer Chrome, guys, it's my favorite browser. And as you can see, we've got a blank document. That's all good, but we've got the title in the header section, so my website. So that's all working. Right, okay, before I finish this video, I'm just going to go through a couple more tags. Really simple tags, guys. Okay, the first one is a paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is really easy. We open and close it with P, and let's type in text. This is a paragraph. Let's save it straight away and just refresh our browser, and simple as that. We've got text on the web page already. Alright, so it's as simple as that. The next tag I'm going to show you is the bold tag, to bold your text, and that is B. Okay, simple as that, B. And let's close it again. By the way, guys, this white space doesn't mean anything. You can have as much white space as you want. Let's save it and refresh, and you know, it doesn't make a difference. So the white space is just a good way of organizing your code in your editor. Okay. And as you can see, we've bolded this word. So the last thing I'm going to touch on in this video, guys, if you want to open a tag within another tag, it's got to close on the same level. Okay, so if I close the bold tag outside the P tag, this is not valid HTML. So let's put it at the end. We've got to close it within the hierarchy. Let's say that. Okay, so let's tidy this up a bit. Let's tidy this up. And this video is quite short, guys, so I'm just going to go through a couple more tags. H1 is a header tag. Whoops, H1. This is a you can use this for a title and the main title of your web page. So main title, and of course we close it. Oops, not having much luck with the keyboard today. So let's refresh this. Ooh, we've got an error there. Alright guys, sorry about that. As you can see, the main title is quite big, and we can split this down to H2. We can have like a subtitle. Okay, H2, boom, subtitle. And this goes right the way down to H5, so you can use H3, H4, H5. So this is a good way of structuring your websites. And by the way guys, Google likes this kind of structure. Google likes H1, H2, then the P tag. So something to keep in mind for later date when we're trying to optimize our website. So right, let's stop it there. In this video we've gone through the main structure of HTML. Remember, open and close. If you want to open a tag, you've got to close the tag. We declare the HTML document with a HTML tag. The HTML document's got two main parts, the header and the body. Okay, the header and the body. In the header we store the web page's description, the title, and we can link JavaScript and CSS documents to the header, and of course the main body, which is the content people see in the actual web browser. And we just went through a couple of simple tags. So right, before we continue guys, make a note of this structure. You know, forget about this bit. Okay, even forget about my website. Just make a note of this, write it down, write down the structure of a HTML document and memorize it guys. It's not that hard. So in the next video we're going to continue. I'm going to introduce you guys to a few more tags and go from there. So cheers guys.